Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I channel myself about tongue twister. Hope many people enjoy it. Let's start it. Sally said she is sad, so she want some salad. Sally said so she wants some salad. Sally said she is sad, so she wants some salads. Sally said she is, so she wants two salad. Sick. Number 2. Sick slow spider sat in the sun. Sick slow spiders sat in the sun. Sick slow spiders sat in the sun. Sick slow spiders sat in the sun. Six slow spiders sat in the sun. C. Number 3. She is sick. Oh, so something must be wrong. She is sick. Oh, so sick. Something must be wrong. She is sick. Oh, so something must be wrong. She seemed sad when she's sick. Something must be done. She seems when she's sick. Something must be done. Save at number 4. Save at last. Where stop was that I see a slithering snake sliding to me. Save at last. Where stop was that I see a slithering snake sliding to me. Safe at last. Wait, stop. What's that I see a slithering snake sliding to me. Sorry, I very dry. Thank you everyone you watching my video. Bye. See you later.